Page 27, the Popcorn Man. Let's look this over. We got 4/4 time, treble and bass clef. Start out with the right hand. You have a C, then a bunch of rests. The next measure, it's a G, bunch of rests, and the last measure of the first line, it's a C again. Okay, let's go to the second line. First line's done. G, and then an E, and then an F, and a D. Remember the rests? You got to be quiet for those. And really, that's it. Just these are the notes. I'll come back to the counting in a minute. Let's get the left hand. First line, thumb on G. That puts you here. So it's G and a rest and a G and a rest. Second line, third measure, you got all these notes, starting with the C going up. That's much for the left hand, pretty much. Put them together. Let's see what's going on here. Get the counting in. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. I went a little fast, but that's the idea. When you get the counting in, then put in the staccatos. You know how a popcorn would just pop? It was just a all of a sudden boom. Well, short. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then the next line, see the popcorn is starting to pop, and now it's getting more popping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like so. Now, as far as the technique goes for this, there's different techniques can be used. If it's a fun little piece like this, I would use a finger. I just pluck the keys. You can't pluck it with the thumb. The thumb sideways, just go down and out, but the rest of them are plucking it. Like so. Or you can use the wrist, or what's called a hand or wrist staccato. And you flex at the wrist and you just go down. Now, you're on the keys, so when you do this, you go down and then pop off. Boom, you bounce off. You don't start up and go down. Start on the keys and go down. Like so. And you're popping up a little bit. Now, there is a repeat sign at the bottom, so we're going to play it twice. And there's a note. On the repeat, you take both hands an octave higher if you wish. Well, that could be fun. Let's try that and see what happens. So at the bottom, we're playing the last measures here. Then when we go to repeat, we're going to go up here. Well, that causes problems. Let's talk about it. Because we're here, the last note, and the next note in the right hand is here. There's no rest or anything. You got to do it immediately. So you got to go here, here. So what I suggest you do, you got both hands here. The left hand doesn't play at the top for until the third measure. So leave the left hand here for now. And just focus on the right hand. Get the right hand from here to here. You might have to practice that. It's got to happen quickly. So you're here, 2, 3, 4. And you go up. And then once you're here, then you can move the left hand up. Sometime before the third measure. It doesn't matter. You can do it during the rest. It's up to you. But you just pretend middle C goes up an octave to here. And you play everything here instead of here. That could be fun. Let's try it out. We ought to be moving around some anyway, so let's see what happens. Now, I'm going to go real slow on this. I'm not doing the dynamics. There isn't really a bunch of dynamics. It's medium loud and that's it. And that's both hands. So let's just try it. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 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 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off.